Alright, so hello everyone and welcome once again to my channel. My name is Chinyere of Juliettsstyleglam. If this is your first time on my channel, you are most awesomely welcome. And of course, if you're already subscribed to my channel, you are the real MVP. Yeah, right. So today is going to be all about this beautiful fuchsia glitter look. I just wanted to do something. You guys, just simply ignore the fact that I've got lipstick on my tooth, okay? Extra, something bright, something charming, and I've always had this hot love-hate relationship with pink, especially for the lips. For the eyes I could go anything, but for the lips I've always had this love-hate relationship with pink. But I decided to do this one for this purpose, and I hope you all like it. Of course, do not fail to like, share and subscribe and comment. Leave your comments, I love to read them. And of course, do not fail to push notifications, yes, so that every time or anytime I upload, you will be the first to receive that notification. All right, and of course, do not fail to follow me on all my social media networks: Instagram, Facebook, on my blog it's all Juliettsstyleglam, on Twitter it's Juliettsstyle, and yeah, have fun and let's begin. Now, if you want to see how I achieve this look, stay tuned and watch till the end, okay? And yeah, something else, I've actually done this look before. I'm gonna leave the link in, excuse me, I've got gum somewhere in my teeth. I've done this look before, but not exactly the same, and I'm going to leave the link so you can, you know, get and see it again. And of course, you can always tell me which one you prefer. Do you prefer this one or you prefer the other one? All right, so until my next video, adios, bye, je vous aime. And of course, all products will be listed, all products used will be listed in the description box below. Okay? Take care. Bye. So let's jumpstart this makeup tutorial. So as always, I've already gone ahead and primed my face and done my eyebrows. If you want to see a video of how I do my eyebrows, I'll put a link of my video here. So I'm using the Fenty Beauty foundation in 430, that's the neutral shade, and I also primed with the Fenty Beauty primer. Okay, and then and one thing about this Fenty Beauty primer is the fact that the primer doesn't mix well with other foundations. So you buy Fenty Beauty, you must buy the primer. Okay, yeah. And then moving on, we are now going to start the eye look. Now I usually use my L'Oreal True Match foundation as my concealer. It's a very, very good product, y'all. Since I started using it, seriously, the love affair has been amazing. Okay, so I'm blending it all out with my blender, a beauty blender, and I use the Sacha Buttercup to set that look in. Okay, now I'll be going in with my what's it called, this palette I'm using. I got it from a store here in France. They sell, it's called Saga. Okay, and usually I buy some stuff there for use when all right, so we move to this eye using my NYX in Paint Pot Milk, and taking my sleek matte me. I'm just taking very, very little because it doesn't dry quickly. I'll be diffusing that all over the eye. On the other eye, I put a little bit too much, so the struggle. And now, going in with this color right here. I'll be going also with this. It seems as though this one is more intense than this one. I'm gonna have to spoil it a little bit. Well, you guys get to see all the same. I don't know, I just feel this is more intense than this one. So maybe I'll just add a little more of that. And I'll still diffuse it with my fingers. I just get the feeling it's a little bit, the other eye is a little bit more intense, so. Yeah. I think it packs more of a punch this way. Don't you agree? Thumbs up this video and let me know if you'd like to see my skincare routine, because I am loving my skin right now. If you want to know, of course you all know that the secret to having flawless makeup is beautiful skin. And for me, skin comes first before makeup. So thumbs up, share, comment, and let me know if you'd like to see a skincare routine, and I will bend over to get it done. Okay, and that's it for this look for the eye, and then I'll be going in with my Kiko and Makeup Forever pencils. Okay, and then we'll clean that up a bit, just with my, that's it, nothing there. And then to give this eye some effect, I'll be going with my NYX just here. And putting it just in the corner of the eye to give a beautiful effect of an open eye. And then I'll be taking, where are you? I'll be taking my brush with my Sephora. I had to buy it. I was like, no, I have to buy it. I have this one and I have another one by Revlon, which for me, they both work. While this one is matte, the one from Revlon is a little bit shiny. Okay, and then I'll easily and quickly blend it in so that it's a seamless application just here. Okay, I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. And then I'll now go in with the Revlon. It's broken so I can't show you, but it's still, but it's a shiny, has a little sparkle to it. And I'm gonna, just to make it pack a punch here. See that? Well, I have to hurry up because I'm gonna pick up my son at school. Okay, and then we go. This is one of my brushes I use for when I want to apply eyeshadows. Sorry, black liners. And then I'll be applying some mascara. Now something else, I have a video that I did earlier in which I more or less used falsies that were synthetic, and when I mean synthetic, they were super cheap. Now if you notice in that video, it seemed so annoying, and I was like, what was the problem? What the hell? Why wasn't it laying back? And then I discovered the problem. So when you're using Extremely, I'm going to show it to you. These are lashes, and they're really nice because they have some, you know, I like their designs. And this is, I don't know, I bought it from a store. It says it's Zingus, probably one of these Chinese products. And while I would really love to use my tweezers to get it out, it doesn't work. It's so hard. So this is what the lashes look like. I hope I haven't spoiled it out of phone. Okay, these are what they look like. And now for them to be able to balance well, I must cut them. I must remove the first, like here. I have to cut that part off so that the curve can stay. If you can't do this, if you don't do this, I'm sorry for you, and I'm sorry for your lash application, because don't worry, you'll see the video. I'll put it up here so you see what not to do. I ended up cutting some of them, you know, to make it easing better, which it actually did. I didn't want to cut it, and for me it was, for the price, €4. I bought it for €4.90, and truthfully I wasn't impressed for €4.90. Seriously, because I bought lashes that cost me €3, €3.50, and they were good. So €4.90, and for that I was less than happy. For the first time I wore my lashes on camera. Oh, thank God. Right, okay, so it's done. I'm not going to touch it again. And now let's finish up the face. Okay, so as always, excuse me, I'm using my MAC in, is it dark deep or deep dark? I don't know which one. for this look. I'm going to have to go back again. And then I just quickly bring down my hair this way. That's the finished look, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I did. I had fun doing this video, and it's such an adorable, beautiful makeup look. Naughty, nice, cute, however you want to swing it, your choice, your mood, your way. All right, until our next video, take care of yourself, loves. Bye.